Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a portfolio in Squarespace. First, you will want to select a template that truly showcases your work. Squarespace offers many beautiful, pre-designed options perfect for artists, photographers, and designers. Next, choose a subscription plan. The business plan is a popular choice, offering advanced features. Finally, connect your own domain name to give your portfolio a polished, professional look. This initial setup takes only a few minutes. Now, let's dive into design. Squarespace's intuitive editor allows you to customize nearly every aspect of your site. Use the Site Styles panel to fine-tune your typography, color palette, and overall aesthetic. You can easily drag and drop content blocks to create unique layouts for each project page. Remember to preview your site on different devices, like mobile phones and tablets, to ensure it looks fantastic everywhere. With your design in place, it's time to add your amazing work. Create a new portfolio page for each project you want to feature. You can upload up to 20 images or videos per gallery section, ensuring every detail is visible. Write compelling descriptions for each piece, explaining your process and inspiration. Organize your projects into categories or tags to make navigation simple for your visitors. Before going live, take a moment to thoroughly review your entire portfolio. Check all links, proofread your text, and ensure every image loads correctly. Squarespace includes powerful SEO tools to help your site rank higher in search results, so fill out those descriptions. Once you are confident, hit publish. Then, share your beautiful new portfolio across all your social media channels to reach a wider audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.